What's up, everybody? Rob here, and welcome back to ThreadBanger. Coming to you from our brand new studio / gallery here in Asheville. It's been a minute. You look great, by the way. The craziest thing happened. 1 week, we just forgot to make a video, and then the next week, we just said, fuck it, we're not making a video. And then the next thing you know, it's 2 years later. I've actually attempted to make this video like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. I don't know at this point. But just to give you a fair warning, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing anymore. I can barely operate this camera at this point. It has been an insane couple of years for everyone, I know. But I'm sure obviously the biggest question on everybody's mind is, what the fuck have we been doing? Where did you go? What'd you do? Where the hell have you been? Well, between Corinne going back to school full time and me painting in my basement during the entire pandemic, it was getting kind of fire hazardy down there for a minute. So we decided to branch out a little bit. Earlier this year, we started working on this space. It was a former brewery warehouse that we've been converting into our new headquarters. Let me be the first to welcome you to this art gallery. We got 2,400 square feet of space to do practically whatever we want. But over the last 6 months, we have been building walls, we've been hanging up lights, building frames for pictures, and getting this whole entire space ready for our first art show, which we just had here a couple weeks ago. Boom.
It's art gallery, woo! Yeah!
Woo! This show was the first time that I ever displayed my art on a wall, in a frame, with lights and shit shining on it. It was a real head fuck to see people looking at your paintings while you're in the room. I mainly hid in the studio drawing chalk outlines of people pretending that they were dead while Corinne, she entertained all the guests, thank God.
And I've been watching ThreadBanger, Rob and Corinne, for about 8 years now, and Rob has quickly became my favorite artist, so when I heard about this gallery opening, I immediately got tickets. He's not just painting to paint, he is getting something out on these canvases. It just feels real personal being in here.
Speaking of personal, we even had a impromptu vow renewal as the show ended up landing on our 11-year wedding anniversary.
It is with pleasure, by the power vested in me by absolutely no one, that I conclude this ceremony of renewing the vows of marriage that join you and bind you as husband and wife. Please celebrate this with an amazing, disgusting, obnoxious kiss.
It was a pretty fucking rad night. I think everyone had a good time. It looked like a good time. Kind of felt like an artist for a second.
Yeah, ThreadBanger, keep up the good work. Kicks ass.
Do we know what we're doing? Absolutely fucking not. Never opened up an art gallery before. Never really had a business besides YouTube. Welcome to the studio side of things. Hey. How you doing? We got all the books, so we should be able to figure this whole thing out. Management of art galleries, how to start and run a commercial gallery, making it in the art world, how to become successful in the art world. Hopefully, these will help us out. Who knows? I don't know, though. Lots of storage for paintings, things I'm working on, and then we're filming shit. We got a camera out, we got lights, and we're already in production on our first episodes, Man versus Art. That's where I'm gonna try some new art techniques and some weird artsy-fartsy shit that I see online. If you have anything, any ideas, be sure that you leave them down in the comments below. Oh, hold on. Oh, it's out here. It's out here. Hey, Corinne's on the phone.
Oh, hi, everyone. I just had an idea.
Oh, yeah?
I was thinking the big black and white painting that I love, Everything's Gonna Be Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What if we had that screen printed onto a really nice paper?
Let's do it.
And how do we make that happen?
I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. But we'll figure it out.
It sounds good, right?
It sounds great. I love it.
Well, I hope everything's going great over there. Tell everyone I said hi.
You can, you can
hi,
right now.
Everyone. Hi, everyone. Love you. Miss you. This is my only cameo in the video, though.
Oh, yeah, that's it? You're not coming over?
Maybe. I don't know. Things are tight over, It's,
Okay, all right.
Okay. I love you.
All right, I love you too. I'll see you soon. So yeah, as you heard, lots of stuff going on. Lots of stuff in the pipeline. Are you ready for a post-pandemic ThreadBanger? I don't know if you are. I don't know if you are. I don't know if I am. I don't know if we are. We're gonna find out. Be sure that you turn on your notifications or whatever lets you know that we're putting out new videos, because those are coming soon. I'm gonna go right now, film some shit, and I will see you around here. I'll see you around here next time.